Welcome. Let's learn how to unlock Voiceitt dictation for Chrome. First, launch Google Chrome, then go to chromewebstore.google.com and search for Voiceitt. Click Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. Sign in using your Voiceitt account information, or if you don't already have an account, click Create Account. Once you've logged in, click Next. Voiceitt requires microphone access. A prompt will pop up asking for permission. We suggest you click Allow on every visit. Next, pin the Voiceitt button to your address bar to easily access Voiceitt in your browser. To do that, click the puzzle icon at the top right of your browser, locate Voiceitt in the drop-down menu, and click the pin icon. Congratulations! You have now completed the setup of Voiceitt dictation for Chrome, which will work on various websites. Please click the link in the description for a list of pre-tested websites. Let's explore how to use Voiceitt dictation for Chrome. First, go to a website and place your cursor in the area where you want the text to appear. Turn on Voiceitt dictation for Chrome. You can do this by clicking on the icon in the top right corner of your screen, or by using the keyboard shortcuts. On a Mac, the shortcuts will be Option and R. On Windows, they will be Alt and R. If you don't like that keyboard shortcut, you can change it in Options, which will be explained in a separate video tutorial. Begin speaking. To make Voiceitt type your words, either pause your speech or click on the Voiceitt icon. You can also dictate punctuation, such as period, comma, and question mark. Your dictated text will appear in the box where you originally placed your cursor. Please visit us at voiceitt.com, and thanks for using Voiceitt dictation for Chrome.